Here's how RU app RU find your soulmates. So let's just open it up and see how it works and what's the idea of it, and yeah, all of that. So yeah, just tap open it up, and then here you can create an account easily with your Apple ID or Google, and then yeah, here you just have your soul match. This is basically some profiles which you can start matching. You can just then view profile, for example, then you can just follow someone. You can also block or report, and that's basically the idea. And then you have some other profiles. So that's basically how it works. And yeah, just like random match with other people. Then you can see notifications, then you can see feed, then you can create avatars, then you can just post here. So here you can just write something, just tap post, and then you just have your own account. So here you just have account, you can change avatar, you can add bio about yourself. There are some settings. There is your profile, you can your avatar, your bio, your gender, tags, some room settings, and then yeah, sometimes here I guess there are some rooms where you can just chat together or hang out together, and then if you want you can delete your account in the bottom, you can log out. So yeah, something like that. So that's basically the idea. Also you can change your avatar. So yeah, just participate in the feed, go to people. If you want, you can report, you can go to profiles, follow, or try to message someone. Let's see. Yeah, I think, yeah, you can just start typing and start messaging someone, follow. So yeah, that's basically the idea. In the top part of the feed, you just have rooms, and you can create your own room. You can, yeah, select all of this like that. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. So yeah, try out this app. Not sure if it's available on Android or something, but yeah, I'm looking it on iOS. So give it a try.